Hello, Briseda, Casey, and Henry. This is part 2 of 7.4, and I found my mistake, and I'm sure Henry was thinking the same thing. Oh, negative 10 plus 12 is a positive 2. That's why it comes out as positive 1/2. All right, I am going to do number 17 for you. I hope you had a chance to look at it. Number 17 is 2x plus y equals 15. And then we have x plus 2y equals 18. All right, again, what we want to do is we want to multiply one of them by 2. Let's do this one. So we're going to go like this and multiply the whole thing by 2 to get 2x plus 4y equals 36. Then we could stack it under here. 2x plus 4y equals 36. And now we could do the subtraction. So we can, once we subtract it, this goes away. Y minus of 4y is negative 3y. 15 minus 36 is 21, and that's a negative as well. Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3, y equals 7. Okay, so that's the y. We're going to plug the the y back into another equation. Let's pick, which one should we pick? I guess the first one. 2x plus y equals 15 is the first one. 2x plus 7 equals 15. Minus 7, minus 7. 2x is equal to 8. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is equal to 4. Your point of intersection, one solution is 4, 7. Okay, let's see, what else did I say to have next? Okay, so the third example is the most complicated or most comprehensive example. And I asked you to please look at example 4. And if you look at example 4, they do a multiplier of 2 on the first equation and 3 on the second equation. I will show you a different example, but I'd like you to look at that now. And then try number 19. I will come back with that solution, so you can pause now. Okay, number 19. On page 298. 5x minus 4y equals 7. And the other one is, I'm trying to find myself here, 7x minus 3y equals 2. All right, so there's a 5 here and there's a 7 here. We want to figure out how we could eliminate them, and the best way is to find their least common multiple. So we could either multiply this one by 7 and that one by 5, or we can do the y's with 3 and 4, but let's just do it with 7 and 5. All right, so I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 7. That gives you 35x minus 28y equals 49. Then we're going to multiply this whole thing by 5, because that's going to give me 35x minus 15y equals 10. Now we have 35 in both, so we're going to stack it, put this here. 35x minus 15y equals 10. And now we're going to subtract. So that means this cancels, and when we add 28 minus a minus 15, which is really negative 28 plus a 15, that gives me 3, 1, and it is negative. 49 minus 10 is 39. That's nice because when we divide by negative 13, we're going to get y equals negative 3. All right, we plug in the y equals negative 3 into one of those equations, the original one. So let's try the first one. 5x minus 4y equals 7. 5x minus 4 times negative 3 equals 7. 5x plus 12 equals 7. Minus 12 minus 12. 5x equals negative 5. Divide both sides by 5. That gives you x equals negative 1. Your point of intersection is negative 1 minus 3. That's your solution. Okay, so I gave you homework. It's on the website. And please give me a call with any questions. All right, God bless you.